It was a plan shut down by the governor, but in the face of a pocket veto, New Mexico's Attorney General says he'll move forward with making a powerful new division. News 13's Natalie Wattis spoke with the Attorney General about it. She's live in downtown Albuquerque.
Jessica, that new division will focus on civil rights cases. It's something the Attorney General says will prioritize protecting the children in New Mexico. Right before the start of LULAC's big Albuquerque conference, a surprise from a top New Mexico official.
We are going to establish the first dedicated office focused on protecting the rights of everyone in this country, but particularly the children of this country, and that includes Latino children.
Attorney General Raul Torres telling the crowd he'll pursue a new civil rights office.
Now, we didn't get that bill over the finish line, but when we had the veto, I made a promise to this community, and I'm going to make a promise to my extended community across the country. We're going to create the Civil Rights Division in the Attorney General's office anyway.
The original bill would have made a team of attorneys in the AG's office, focused mostly on protecting children, especially those in state custody. That bill made it to the governor's desk, but was pocket vetoed. Lujan Grisham's office saying it would muddy the waters for agencies already tasked with child welfare, and that no funding was set aside for the division.
We are reallocating within the agency, and frankly, it's a position that I didn't want to be in. I didn't want to be in a position where I had to repurpose some of the resources that we had dedicated to other issue areas, but I think it's so important to start better protecting children and start improving education, that we take a more affirmative role and build out this institution.
Because of the route the AG is taking, Torres says his prosecutors won't be able to gather evidence in secret, but rather only after they make a public filing.
Those are the two things that we're missing. We're going to keep fighting. We're going to work with the legislature. We're going to encourage them to bring the bill back up, and I'm going to encourage the governor to reconsider her position.
The Attorney General says he's already hired 2 attorneys for this division and hopes to hire several more and a division director before the year is up. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Natalie. The governor's office says while they didn't know about the announcement beforehand, they have always supported initiatives focused on advancing civil rights of New Mexicans. Torres says the new office will also focus on equity in education and jail conditions.